Hey traders, welcome to my channel, The Profitable Traders. We upload Forex tutorials every week on this channel that includes price action, day trading, swing trading, indicators. All these topics are covered in this channel for free. And in this video, I'll show you the best way to trade double tops and double bottoms as entries so that you can make massive profits in the Forex market. If you want to be alerted with similar contents every week, then smash the subscribe button and the notifications bell. So let's dive in. As you can see, the candles that have drawn on the blank chart, the first one you see here is the double top. Double top is a simple price action pattern where a price is rejected twice at the resistance level, and the double bottom is a simple price action pattern where a price is rejected twice at the support level. Let's talk about this double top and the rules for these double tops and double bottoms. For the case of the double top, we have a market that came to this level. Let me increase the size. Then gets rejected for the first time and then came back to this same level. And if this market gets rejected again at this level, this qualifies to be the double top. Similarly, we have a market that came to the support level, got rejected, and came back again to this same support level. And if this market gets rejected here for the second time, that qualifies to be the double bottom. And the rules for these double bottoms and double tops: this one is the first top and this one is the second top. The wick of the second top should at least touch the neck of the body of the first top. What do I mean by that? This one is our first top and here is the neck. Here is the neck, just at top of the body. Like this one here qualifies to be double top. And also if it's like this as well, it qualifies to be double top. But let's say we have a situation like this. Could this be double top? Of course not. Why? Because the wick of this second top did not touch the neck of the first top, so it should be at least this way. And also let's look at this second scenario. Let's say the body of the second top is above the wick of the first top. Does this qualify to be double top? Of course not, because the body of the second top is above the wick of the first top. So these are the two conditions or the two rules you can use for the double tops. First one, the wick of the second top should at least touch the neck of the first top. The second rule is that the body of the second top should not close above the wick of the first top. So it should be this way, or it could be like this as well. No, this qualifies to be a double top, or this way. Let's look at the example of a double bottom. The rules are the same, only that we are now moving to the downward direction. And in this case now, we have a market that came to the support level, got rejected, and came again to the same support level and gets rejected at the same level. So this becomes our double bottom. And the first rule is that the wick of the second bottom should at least touch the neck of the first bottom. This is our first bottom, this candle, and this is our second bottom, this candle. So this wick should at least touch the neck of the first bottom. And here, if we have a situation like this, then this qualifies to be a double bottom. And if we have a situation like this is a double bottom as well, or even like this, it's a double bottom. The second rule is that the body of the second bottom should not close below the wick of the first bottom. Now this one is the body, the shaded red one is the body of the second bottom. So if we have a situation where the body closes below the wick of the first bottom, this is an invalid double bottom. So how should it be? The body should not close below the wick of the first bottom. And these are the rules. These are the two rules that I use for the double bottoms and double tops. Let's go and look into the real examples on the charts. This is just a random chart on cat Swiss. On this cat Swiss, does this one qualify to be our double top? If you say yes, then you're correct. It's because we have our first top and the second top. And do we have the wake of the second top touching at least the body of the first top? Absolutely. We have this candle. This is the one. We have the wake of this second top touching the neck of the body of the first top. This one is our double top, and if you took trade based on your strategy, you could have this massive win, the downside, because you sell when it is double top and you buy when it is double bottom. And let's look at an example of a double bottom. Example of a double bottom, we have this market, we have that one, and this, we have our first bottom is here, and our second bottom. Does the wick of the second bottom at least touch the body of our first bottom? Yes, that's right. In this case, the wick is exactly here, and this one here qualifies to be our double bottom. And if you took trade at this double bottom, this could be a win. Buying here. You don't just sell double tops and double bottoms anywhere. You look at key levels of structure. You identify your key levels of structure, then you trade double tops and double bottoms at the key levels of structure. Let's say this was our resistance level, and if this resistance level is a key level of structure that has been tested multiple times, or that has acted as support and resistance in the past, then you can sell this double top. And if here at this double bottom is a key level of support that has been tested multiple times in the past, then you can buy at this double bottom. And this is how you trade double tops and double bottoms. If you have benefited from this video, would you give it a like and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed? Share it with your friends. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next week in the next video. I wish you a profitable week ahead.